How to make dandelion tea from roots, flowers, and leaves. The dandelion root, flowers, and leaves have been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. What is dandelion tea? Dandelion tea can be made from the roots, flowers, or leaves. However, it is most often made from the roots. The young, tender leaves are harvested in the spring and the roots and flowers are harvested in the fall. Health benefits of dandelion tea. Dandelions contain nutrients and antioxidants that can boost your health. Antioxidants such as beta-carotene and vitamin C help prevent cell damage that may cause cancer. The leaves and flowers are high in vitamin C, which helps to boost the immune system. Dandelion roots are good sources of potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. Dandelion root also works as a diuretic and is often used as a weight loss aid. Dandelion root tea recipe. Roasted dandelion tea or dandelion coffee has a strong, toasty flavor, and rich aroma. It does not contain caffeine, so you won't get a caffeine jolt. Add 2 tablespoons of dried, roasted dandelion roots to a pot with 2 cups boiling water. Reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes. Strain the roasted roots. Enjoy plain or with milk and sweetener of choice. Dandelion leaf tea recipe. Dandelion leaf tea has a light, sweet, delicate flavor. Chop 6 young, tender leaves to release the flavor, or you can use 2 tablespoons dried dandelion leaves. Pour 2 cups boiling water over leaves. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Enjoy plain or with milk and sweetener of choice. Dandelion flower tea recipe. Dandelion flower tea has a mild, delicate flavor. Pour a quart of boiling water over a handful of dandelion flowers. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain. Add the sweetener of your choice. Dandelion leaf and flower tea can also be served cold. Add a few slices of lemons or limes, if desired. Now, it's your turn. Dandelion tea is generally recognized as safe by the Food and Drug Administration. So, go ahead and enjoy the occasional cup of dandelion tea.